What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at the Bitcoin price on the higher timeframes to the lower timeframes to understand where the market structure is at this moment and what are the next high probability scenarios. Now, we were very much aware of the shorting opportunity at this level over here, and after this major drop, we were waiting patiently for the price to consolidate to find our next trading setup, which was a long position from the $25,500 range, failing to break out from this low to enter that long position. With the analysis created today in the Legends trading community, we were waiting for this potential setup here to come all the way up above $25,900. We can see some of the legends actually creating massive profits here. As you can see, all of them entering at that $25,500 range from the analysis that was provided early this morning. But who cares? You're here for the YouTube channel. If you want to join the Legends trading community where I post every single day those setups and analysis on Bitcoin, make sure to join, guys. The link is down below in the description. I feel that you're missing out because we're absolutely making a killing here for the last few days. Now today we're going to talk about the next potential moves on higher time frames and lower time frames on Bitcoin, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Daily tier on Bitcoin crypto, also do live streams to connect with the community. I'm not a financial advisor, do not buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research, and let's dive in here straight into the chart. Now, on yesterday's live stream, we did get over 500 likes, meaning that I did say that we were going to create 4 live streams this week, okay, before the end of the week. 4 live streams will be created, of course. I'll be doing them in the next coming days, all right, for that community. 648 likes on yesterday's live stream. Absolutely insane. Thank you very much, guys, for that support. Now, let's dive in here straight into the chart of Bitcoin because, yes, we got that major drop. We got a major leg down. And looking at Elliott wave structure, okay, Elliott wave theory, we need to understand where the market is at this point. Is this the bottom? Are we getting a massive reversal? In my personal opinion, no, the price is likely to create a few more legs to the downside, of course, with some relief pumps. So you want to understand where and how. We've been anticipating several movements, okay, for the last week that have been absolutely killing it. Longing from this level here, taking profit from here, entering another short right there, entering a long position here just a few hours ago at this low level right over here, taking advantage of this move up. So what are the next scenarios, guys? Now, I'm going to zoom out and explain where we are currently at this moment. Of course, we have been trending to the upside for the last few months, ever since December of 2022. So, but what has happened right now, we are in this corrective move for the last few weeks. Has this corrective move finished? Are we ready to blast off to the upside? Well, like I said, in my personal opinion, no, I've been bearish for the last few weeks. I think slightly lower levels is very, very likely. I'm going to explain why. Now, if we do take a look here at the Fibonacci retracement from this daily pivot low right over here, clear pivot low, to the highs here from this year, which is at 31K, we are just about to hit the 50% Fibonacci retracement. This is already a strong level, okay? Just about hitting that level, okay? We're just a few dollars away from it and getting a reaction from it. Now, I do personally think that we could even go to the 618 fib zone, all right? It's very much a possibility. We need to understand the wave's structure, though. I do see this as an ABC corrective move, and we are still inside the C wave. Been talking about this for the last few weeks. We are still inside the C wave. We are likely to see lower levels, and we are still inside the C wave, in my opinion, and we are still likely to see slightly lower levels, whether that is 24K or 23K potentially, right? Now, what we need to understand is taking a look at the C wave structure, which in my personal opinion started right over here, okay? I've explained the 5 waves down that we've had here, the 3 waves up inside of the B, and right now in the C wave, we have created the 5th wave, or we are still in the process of creating the 5th wave. Now, the 5th wave can be explosive. It could have finished here. It's a possibility. We're not going to say it's not, okay? This is the crazy part about Elliott wave theory. Once you reach that fifth wave, it's very hard to find if you have actually finished that movement down. So what you need to do is zoom in on the lower time frames, okay? So you might think, hey, we've crossed the third wave already. Isn't it a possibility that we've finished the fifth wave? Now, oh my goodness, we're very much aware of this being a flat ABC with an expansion here on the C. Very much understanding that this could have been, the flat C from the fourth wave and having the next fifth wave down. The last few weeks, it was absolutely amazing. So right now, where we're currently at, you might think, hey, maybe the fifth wave has ended. But if this has been the start of the fourth wave, we have only created 3 waves down, and we are still potentially inside of the third wave. And now we are creating the fourth wave, okay? And I'm going to explain right away. So if this were to be the fourth wave, okay, and we have been creating, okay, 3 waves down for the moment, and potentially we are in the fourth corrective wave. All right, I'll explain that in just 1 second. So let me just go here with the waves right counts right now. So this being the high first wave, second wave, we are creating the third wave at the moment, and now we potentially creating the fourth wave, okay? Now this fourth wave, how high can it go? It can go as high as the peak of the first wave. We cannot overlap the first wave, obviously not getting below, okay, above in this case, the second wave. So obviously if we were to get above this level over here, this would be extremely, extremely bullish, okay? It would be extremely bullish. It would be extremely bullish. This could have been the bottom, and this is what I want to explain in today's episode as well. I personally think that it hasn't finished and lower prices is very likely, but I will explain with Elliott wave theory how there is a possibility that this could be the bottom and we could reverse, all right? It's a possibility. So if we are inside of the fourth wave, I'm going to go straight here on the lower time frames, guys, and explain why, okay? It could be the bottom, but it doesn't make sense for it to be, all right? But so first of all, let's zoom in here with this price action on the 1 hourly time frame, and I'm going to go on the scenario that I personally think that we are right now. And this is basically 1 wave down, 2, 3, all the way down here, and we are inside of the fourth wave, meaning that we could hit even the peak of the first wave, not overlapping the first wave, of course. We could hit it, we could consolidate round it, then to get the movement down, okay, as high as 26,700 range at the ultimate limit, all right? So it could potentially, this could have been the high of the fourth wave also at 26,100. It's also a possibility. Let me just explain here, all right, the simplest way possible. So the reason why I still think that this is the fourth wave and we haven't created a fifth wave inside of this third wave, okay, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Has this been the fifth failed breakout, or has it been an ABC correction, okay, flat ABC, meaning that this has been the A, this has been the B, getting beneath the start of the wave A, and now we're creating the C wave, and this could be an extension very high, as high, to the 26,600. That would be the ultimate limit. However, this could have been the high already at 26,100. It's a possibility. This is the crazy part, okay, when we're very ending here at this, when we're ending on the massive corrective move, right? When we're at the very end of the C wave. So let me just explain right away in this episode, what are the next potential setups for a swing trade that I'm looking for here with the Legends trading community. And obviously that is having this zone over here very much aware of the roll back down, because I do see this as 1 wave down, 2, 3. We are inside of the fourth right now because this is a flat ABC corrective move. And at some point in between 26,000 and 26,600, we should be creating the peak of the fourth wave to have our next fifth wave down in the next coming days. This is how I see the structure in the Legends trading community. Okay, feel free to join, guys, because I'm giving updates and, you know, giving that education and setups every single day on Bitcoin. And then also to have very good risk management. The link is down below in the description if you want to follow more daily updates and setups. Okay, so what would be the bullish case scenario? What happens if the price continues pumping and breaks 26,700 and even hits 27,300 in the next coming days, breaking these highs? This is the level that I will switch bullish. The reason why is because there is a possibility that this has been a very small fifth wave and this has finished. We have finished the entire structure here of the C corrective move, and this has been the end of it, and we are about to have a massive reversal. The confirmation that this fifth wave has finished and the C corrective move has finished would be breaking above $27,400. That means this would be the end of the C corrective move, and if we do manage to break above $27,400 with some pretty nice volume in the next coming days, that for me would be enough to understand that we are likely going to go to higher levels, and we will be looking for incredible day trade scenarios, okay, to profit from this market as long as we are below $27,300. This still could be bearish. Of course, on this fourth move up here from 1, 2, 3, 4, we should not overlap the first wave. Could it get a little bit of volatility hitting 26.8, 26.9? It's possible. It's unlikely though. We should be rolling down in between 26,000 and 26,600 approximately, all right, in the next coming days or even coming hours, okay? But overall, we're having the relief pump. Are people going to get extremely bullish now with this move? We're just going to have to wait and see. We do have the setups and the risk management, of course, in the Legends trading community. Now, obviously, where I do 100% of my crypto trading is on Bybit, guys. If you scroll down in the description, you do have that incredible bonus, guys, for crypto trading. Number one, no doubt, I've been using it for over 3 years now. Bybit, my favorite leverage trading platform, okay, for crypto. $30,000 worth of bonus can be claimed. Next option, of course, if you do not want to do KYC, you have MEXC, all right, where you get over $9,100 worth of bonus. Bitflex is another option, okay? People that do not want to do KYC, you have Bitflex and MEXC with also good bonuses. Diving back here into the price of Bitcoin, what I do see is that, guys, I do think that lower prices is possible, as I do think that we are inside of a fourth wave and we are waiting here for the last wave, fifth wave down, okay? Now, of course, the fifth wave down, we do not know the length of the fifth wave. It could go to 24,800 or it could go to 23,100, right? We got two big major levels that I am looking for here to for a potential reaction. That is a naked point of control, 24,764, which is from a consolidation we had in March. Exactly this consolidation. We could be expecting a reaction from this consolidation. If we slice through that level, there's a huge monthly level at 23,130, which is close to the 618 Fibonacci retracement from the clear pivot low that we have here to the pivot high from this impulsive move. As you can see, 61865 is above the monthly level, but that is a zone where if we do go down, I would expect a consolidation at that range. Maybe we are not going to hit that level. Who knows? We'll be ready to take those trading decisions, of course, in the Legends trading community. Now, what I do see here, if we were to get a move up, is creating that lower high, guys, keeping it simple, to have another leg down. I do personally think that another fifth wave down is very much possible. But these are kind of predictions only looking at Elliott wave theory. Today, we were very much aware of a long setup from this level over here. Failed breakout, consolidation, these lower highs to be claimed. Bang, look at this, absolutely gorgeous. We've been talking about this today in the community. So absolutely phenomenal. Now we just need to be patient. We need to see how the price is going to develop in the next coming hours to take the next trading decision, guys. There's not much more to be updated in this video. Feel free to join the Legends trading community. You got the link down below, guys. There is where we are absolutely crushing it. We're banging it. Video updates every single day, several times a day, talking about the setups and scenarios and people actually profiting from this market. As you can see right over here, this has been today, just in the last hour, people longing this scenario right over here at the $25,400, $500 range, okay? Getting those profits, locking those profits, okay? Not much to be said in this video update. I'm still leaning bearish. This is more of an education high time frame scenario. Invalidation point is 27,300. I don't think we'll be overlapping much this range. If we start hitting this level, guys, this means that the bottom could be in locally and we could be following an uptrend in the next coming weeks. However, as long as we are beneath this 27,300, 400 level, we are likely just to create another lower high to test the lows and go to lower levels where we could get support and a bounce. Thank you, guys, and I will see you in the next one.